So if you've clicked on this video, well done, because you've done what a lot of people haven't done, which is take this as a sign to understand that you need to change your life. Now, I've changed my life in the last 4 months. I've moved to Dubai and I'm here now, literally loving life here. I'll show you the views from the balcony. So as you can see, here now in Dubai, I've just literally moved apartment, and yeah, honestly, the views are breathtaking. You've got the pool over there, you've got a nice area over there, and yeah, you've got a few buildings in front of you over here. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I see a lot of people that, you know, they're very comfortable with their lives. They don't want to change. They don't want to do anything that can make them better. They don't want to grow. They're very happy to be where they are. And this is a video for those type of people. You've obviously clicked this video because you want to change your life. You know, you've taken this as a sign that you need to change your life. And this is exactly why I'm making this video, because I was in the same position as you guys. I was very comfortable in the UK. You know, I had a 9-to-5 job. I was making a decent amount of money. You know, I had a Mercedes E53 AMG, which I wrapped in purple. So life was good, you know, like I didn't have to move. I didn't have to come to Dubai and sort of start again, you know, take risks and stuff like that. So, but I did, you know, one day I just sat down and I thought, you know what, I'm not really happy here in the UK. I need to leave, I need to move, I need to go to Dubai. And Dubai was my dream country and I always wanted to move to Dubai, but I never did. You know, it was one of those things where it was just a massive risk. Would it pay off? Would it not? You know, I was making some money online, not enough to live, but enough money that I could be comfortable. Again, I was working a 9-to-5 in the UK. So, you know, I knew that if I was to go to Dubai, I'd have to resign. I'd have to go to Dubai. I'd have to sort of make my money online permanently and sort of live off that. And I remember sitting down one day thinking, you know what, forget all of that. I'm not going to be comfortable. Forget being comfortable, because comfortability, and I'm telling you now, this has happened to me in the past many times, that when you're comfortable, you literally do not progress. You will stay there for the rest of your life and you will not achieve anything. You know, nothing ever good happens in the comfort zone. You need to escape the comfort zone and, you know, expand your horizons, broaden your horizons, and sort of come out of your comfort zone. And that's the only place where you can actually experience real growth. And that's what I did. So 3-4 months ago, I left the UK, I left my job, I was making money online, you know, a little bit. I moved to Dubai, I worked 10 times harder than I did in the UK. And now I'm able to make so much money online that I'm able to do YouTube full time. I'm able to make money online full time. And, you know, it's just been so much better. Like, I've taken that big risk, you know. I even posted on my YouTube channel that I'm taking one of the biggest risks of my life. And I can definitely say now it's paid off. You know, Dubai is a reality. I'm here now in Dubai. I've just got a long-term apartment for a year. And in the next year or so, I'll be looking to purchase an apartment as well. And, you know, I wanted my life to be here, because Dubai, obviously, if you aren't aware, Dubai is just an amazing place. It's sort of in the middle of every location. So if you want to travel anywhere, it's a good hub because things are very close by to Dubai. Not only that, there's no tax here. You know, the weather is good all year round. Obviously, if you compare it to the UK, you know, how the UK is completely unsafe. Dubai is extremely safe. I can walk at 3 a.m, 4 a.m, 1 a.m. I can go anywhere around that time. You know, my safety is there. I'm not worried about anything happening to me. And not only that, the amount of entrepreneurs in Dubai, the amount of people I networked with over here, you know, it's a very nice place. It's an amazing place. And if anyone's looking to move to Dubai, I'll definitely recommend it. So again, these are for the people that have clicked on this video that want to understand that this is a sign for you guys to sort of make a change in your life. You know, if you are comfortable in your life, which I'm sure a lot of people are, or some people obviously aren't comfortable. When I say comfortable, I don't mean that, you know, life's good, that everything's going to be fine. Some people are comfortable with, you know, just getting by, or some people are comfortable with the debt they're in, or some people are comfortable with, you know, their job, or whatever it may be, right? Let's say you're comfortable in your situation. You can be comfortable, but you can be unhappy. Like, it's two things. You can be comfortable with your situation, but you can be unhappy with it. I would recommend that if you are feeling comfortable, to get out of your comfort zone, right? If there is anything that you want to do in life, you just need to chase it. Now, a lot of people are happy in their 9-to-5s. You know, they don't want to do a side hustle. They don't want to make money online or anything else. They don't want to start a business. And I see a lot of people like this. And, you know, all I can say to you guys is that you need to get out of your comfort zone. It's the only true way you'll get success. So if you want to start that business, start that business. You don't need to quit your job. If you want to start a business, make it as a side hustle. In fact, I would recommend not quitting your job until that side hustle overpowers your main hustle. Please work on something on the side, whether that's YouTube, whether that's drop shipping, whether that's crypto trading, you know, whatever it is. You know, if you want to start a business, best thing to do is just start. Because trust me, I started YouTube 2 years ago, and in the first year and a half, I made no money, right? But in the last 2 months of YouTube, I've made more money on YouTube than I have in the whole 1.5 years of doing it. So the point of me making this video, right? The point of me actually making this video is even if I can motivate one person that, look, get out of your comfort zone, do something of yourself, you know, make your parents proud, make people in your family proud, that you're able to do whatever it is that you want to do, that you're able to be successful. Because look, at the end of the day, you need money to survive, you want to be successful, you want to help the people around you. It's not even look, if you make money, right, it's obviously well and good spending all that money on yourself, but imagine spending it on your family, imagine spending it on your loved ones. It's up to you to make that money, it's up to you to sort of grow. And take this as a sign, take this as a sign from God, take this as a sign from the universe, whatever you want to call it. Take this as a sign and work hard on a side hustle that eventually is going to pay you more than your job, where you can make so much money that you don't even need to work a 9 to 5 anymore. You'll get total freedom. Like me working full-time on YouTube, it's so good because of the freedom that I get, that I'm able to work whenever I want. And obviously right now I'm not even at my peak YouTube right now. If anything, I'm a small creator, but even being a small creator, I'm able to earn so much money, I'm able to make so much on YouTube. And you know, there's loads of different ways to make money on YouTube, not just one. You know, ad revenue is one, but ad revenue doesn't actually pay as much as people think. And you know, you can make so much more money doing so many other things. Like for example, you've got affiliate marketing, you've got digital products, which is one of my main sources at the moment. You've got sponsorships as well. So there are so many ways to make money on YouTube. And I'd always recommend, if you're doing any type of business, do YouTube as well. You know, you need to get out of your comfort zone. A lot of people don't like putting their face in front of a camera, which I understand. I was exactly the same, but at the end of the day, if you really want to succeed and you want to do well in life, you need to come out of your comfort zone. So if you're watching this video and you're broke, you're struggling, you can't pay the bills, and you're comfortable in a way doing all of those things, life doesn't have to be that way. You need to work hard. You need to understand that it's hard work and persistence and consistency and the mindset as well to sort of be mentally resilient and get through the stages that you're in right now. Work on a side hustle as well. Keep working on it until that side hustle, which it will, if you literally do what I'm telling you right now, which is start it, be consistent on it, work hard on it, and don't give up. If you can do that and be mentally resilient as well, if you can do that, trust me, you'll become successful. Now, there's so many different avenues. A lot of people are sitting there right now probably thinking, you know, I don't know what I want to do. You know, I like dropshipping, or I like YouTube, or I like TikTok. I want to do something in those fields, or whatever the case may be. If you are looking to make money online, well, I'd recommend joining my Discord group. It's completely free at the moment. So it is a paid program, which is something that I've now transitioned to a free program for a very limited time. So make sure you join, because on there you'll get a like-minded community who will help you, guide you. You know, you'll get help from myself as well. But not only that, we're going to have a lot of courses on there teaching you how to drop ship, teaching you how to use YouTube to make money online, teaching you how to use TikTok. You know, there are so many ways to make money online, and I'm going to have all the courses on there so you can do that yourself as well. So make sure to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle by clicking the link in the description. And a couple of months ago, I made a video about me moving to Dubai, taking the biggest risk of my life. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.